Apple just introduced its complete line of new iPhones. We have the iPhone 17, that's right here, the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the iPhone 17 Air. Super thin. I believe it's 5.6 millimeters thick. It's hanging over there, incredibly thin. We're gonna take a look at that. On the new iPhone 17, we now have two 48 megapixel cameras on the back. One is a 2x optical zoom, one is an ultra wide camera. Also super interesting is this new center stage camera on the front, which allows you to automatically, one button press, you can switch between portrait and landscape. No more turning the phone like this at all. A lot of cool stuff going on here with this device, starting with 256 gigabytes of storage, which is actually a big deal. We have the new A19 chip inside of this. Holy cow. This is the iPhone Air. Just iPhone Air, you know, this is, even the name is interesting, right? There's no 17 in here. 5.6 millimeters thin. Say it's super light. It feels pretty light. Really beautiful polished body. But this bump, by the way, the camera bump, which is 48 megapixel camera in there, that is housing a lot of technology. And most of the rest of this body, that's battery. This thing is pretty gorgeous. So we've got one camera here. It's a 48 megapixel fusion camera. It can be 2x zoom, but that is a crop, all right? And on the front, you've got the 18 megapixel center stage camera. Also, they say this is pretty strong, and they say it's got a long-lasting battery, but it does have a new accessory, a new MagSafe charge block that just slaps right on the back of it. That'll give you more power. Wow, I am holding Apple's all-new iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. These are the most radically redesigned Pro models I've seen in a long time. Look at the size of the camera plateau. There's very good reason for that. Apple has stuffed so much technology underneath that space and made a lot of room for more battery. But even just the bodies are different. We don't have titanium this year. We got the aluminum body. We got this special back. We have a new ceramic 2 coating on the back. Got ceramic on the front. We have three 48 megapixel cameras, including one with 8x optical zoom. These are also running the A19 Pro chip. That is a super fast chip. Theoretically, pretty energy efficient as well. We've got one for $1,099 and one for $1,199. Otherwise, you know, from the front, they look pretty similar, but sides and stuff, they don't even feel the same. Honestly, they really don't. So you're probably wondering what I'm wearing with the iPhone 17. This is the all-new crossbody strap. It's $69. I can basically have the phone like this on my body or turn it around. Easy. It's magnetized, so it all kind of sticks together, doesn't flop around. I can adjust the size simply by pulling that. There's going to be one for the iPhone Air as well. A new way to carry around your phone. I'm not wearing a crossbody, obviously, but you can put it over your shoulder, your arm through it. You can do it that way. So just another new accessory. So we've got $799 for the iPhone 17, $999 for the new iPhone Air, $1099 for the iPhone 17 Pro, and $1199 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So they squeeze the Air right in there. This is an incredible lineup. We can't wait to get our hands on them, to test them, take them out, take pictures, and tell you all about everything. Just don't forget, stick with TechRadar.com because we literally have every single detail from this really big Apple awe-dropping event.